So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly this new and updated version of this awesome boom and crash MACD spike strategy new update 2026. So let's dive in now. Yo. So in today's video, I'm going to show you this new updated version of this awesome boom and crash MACD spike strategy, where I am able to cap out a very nice result using this awesome concept, catching spike, trading the boom and crash market. So let's dive in now. But before we fully dive in, I want to understand there are some segment of first part of this awesome boom and crash spike strategy that you need to go and have, because if you want to have this kind of result, look at it. If you want to have this kind of result, you can see this is a newly updated version result, and you can see you can, even for those that are trading energies, you should be able to use this awesome boom and crash spike strategy to trade your US oil and any other relative energy trading instrument. So now let me give you an instances. Just look at the way market was able to form a double bottom here. By clearly looking at it, you have a double bottom buy position at this level. You also have a new buy zone at this level. You just have two complete version of a complete market structure. I have to buy this market, and I need to buy this market because I want to make profit, catching spike using this awesome boom and crash MACD spike strategy. And let me surprise you, I use the 15-minute chart in order to get my entry trading confirmation signals, and let me show you how I do it now. Just looking at the main market structure here, you can see market was able to sweep what we call the sell side liquidity. You see, we are in a normal market downtrend. Look at it. We're in a normal market downtrend. We're in a normal market downtrend. Look at it. Market has been forming what? Market has been forming lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower. Let me control the market structure. You see, we are in a typical downtrend market. You can see higher highs, higher lows, higher high, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs. You see, even the shift in trend has signified a serious change in trend for the downtrend direction of the current market condition. I want you to understand, whoever you are, whatever you do, no matter how you know you can trade boom and crash, I have some special tactics, I have some special tips that I need to tell you about boom and crash that you don't know. Why? Because I'm the boss of boom and crash. I trade boom and crash daily. I know a lot of things about boom and crash. I know some things about boom and crash that you don't know. So when I'm talking about boom and crash, you don't need to do anything. Just make sure you subscribe to Boom and Crash Club for continuous update of this awesome free boom and crash spike catching strategy new update. Because all the time you have this kind of conditions, the market will always give you the full directions you need to have in order to make sure you make your good profit from this market. And you see, after a good change in trend, look at it, after a good change in trend, market was able to see what you call the sell side liquidity. Market was able to confirm a sweep of sell side liquidity here. What happened? Market sharply come back into the range. Market sell side liquidity on the right hand, market completely come back into the range. As I see this market structure, as I just look at it physically, I know there must always be a change in trend direction for this market to continue this way. I have only two options for this market. I will look for a possible buy opportunity because there's a complete change in character here. Market is trading a downtrend, but market suddenly start to produce higher highs and higher lows, which signifies and tell me that there was a change in trend, there was a shift in trend. Market has changed direction, market has altered this direction. We are moving in an uptrend direction now, and I'm a buy trader. I'm trading Boom 1000 index. I have to look for only a buy signal entry to take this market. That is exactly what I want you to understand. This is Boom and Crash Club. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the likes button, subscribe to this channel, because we have a lot information to tell you. We have more unique information to tell you. We have a lot of free strategies to give you about boom and crash. So let's dive in, and don't forget our official and sponsored partner SosaFSClub.store is the one that is sponsoring all the previous free strategies released and posted on the boom and crash forex Sosa FS Club store on their physical website. If you need any of this, like example now, if you go to the main strategy that I need to show you, let me share with you in this video. Look at it now. If you just go back to the to my videos now, this strategy you are seeing, this one, this particular strategy, you see, this particular strategy is the strategy that I'm saying. Excuse me. You need to go and watch this strategy. If you don't watch this strategy, kindly go and watch this strategy, because this strategy is the first part of this strategy for you to understand that you can see more than 1,000 people have watched this strategy for the last 1 month. For you to understand that this strategy is a very good strategy, because I have given a very nice and serious concept for you to understand how to catch spike using this awesome boom and crash spike scalping strategy that you can use to catch multiple spikes a day trading the boom and crash market. And let me show you some other things now. You can see this is the strategy. So I've gotten my entry confirmation from the 15-minute time frame. This is it here. After I go to my confirmation, you see this is where market has do what we call sell side liquidity. You see market sweeps sell side liquidity, this level comes down, and what happen, market push up, and we continue our trend. And you can see even from the stochastic level, the price and the market was on a sell zone. So the second entry confirmation has already increased, and also added in this strategy is this red line, this blue line. This red line was there on the first strategy, but on the second strategy, only this blue line that is here. Only this boom and crash related indicator that was added. And if you look at the structure very well, we have only one indicator added. So let me show you on the main chart so that you should have able to see the settings. See this moving average. This is the moving average we have on the older strategy, but on the latest strategy we don't have this signal line, but on this one we have this signal line. You see this signal line. We have this signal line. You can see it blue. It's a very thick line, and if you look at the main chart, you will see this signal line is blue. So for the final confirmation, whenever you want to take an entry using this awesome strategy, make sure this blue line has already crosses this red short dash line, and also a candle open and close above this main moving average on the main chart, which is the 9 moving average. I'm going to give you the settings now. I will release all the free settings for you now. I'll give you the settings. So that is what I want you to understand, and that is how you can be able to have a very nice setup catching spike using this awesome boom and crash MACD spike catching strategy, or boom and crash multiple spike catching strategy. And that is what I want you to understand. And now you can see, after we are moving, market has been trading upward. You see market is trending higher. And if you look at the 30-minute chart, 30-minute chart is also giving you also the one. You see 30-minute chart, there was a change in trend. You see, look at it. Market sweep, sell side liquidity come down, come back into the range, recover and retest this position for the final time before market push upward and target these other highs. And that is why I told you, if you are catching spike and you know what you are doing, it will give you a good market structure setup. You should be able to make money trading the boom and crash. You should be able to understand what you know. You should be able to trade what you know. You should be able to have a complete and nice understanding of the major confluence direction, catching spike with this awesome boom and crash MACD spike strategy new update. So let me first of all give you the complete settings, and after I give you the complete settings, I'm also going to give you what will be your best entry exit. What are the major areas that you need to exit your market when you have reached a target position with this awesome boom and crash free spike catching strategy? And let me move on now. So now look at it now. For the settings on the main chart, we have the moving average. For this moving average, forget about it. That's why I even hide it. Forget about this moving average. It's not included in this strategy. The only moving average we have is the moving average. Now we have 9 EMA, 9 EMA, 9 EMA, 9 exponential moving average, and it has a shift to method exponential apply to close, and it can be indicated on all time frames, and you can see the thickness of the line is blue, and it's a blue thick short dash lines. That is what you have, and that is what is here. And looking at this one now, you can screenshot it, so that I can be able to set it up very well. And if you comment on this video, you want a complete blog post highlighting all the settings in a single PDF file for you to download, kindly comment softwarefx.store, and I promise to release a nice blog post for you carrying all the complete settings of this awesome boom and crash MACD spike strategy new update. So let me first of all continue with the settings. After the main chart, you see what you set that up, you should be able to have this moving average. You see, this is the moving average you should be able to have. This is it. This is what you have on the main chart. You are good to go. You are good to go. You are good to go. Then the third one on the list is we have the stochastic oscillator. The stochastic oscillator, it has the following stochastic indicator settings. The K period is 8, the D period is 3, the slowing is 5, price field low high, method simple, levels 20, 80, 90, 100, 10 and 50 price level. And what I want you to understand as a price action trader, if you are a scalp trader and you like to scalp this trading strategy, using this strategy, please make sure you give attention to this particular level. It's called the home level. What is meant by home level? Home level is a special level I created for any boom and crash scalping trader that is using this awesome strategy in order to trade and make money. As far as you should understand what it means here and he used this same level, your same level is always a special level for you to take profits. That is the simple explanation of this home level. Your home level is a special level for you to take profit on your trade. That is the only thing I can tell you, and that is the only thing I can give you guarantee on it. This is boom and crash forex club. So let me first of all give you the remaining indicator, and if you go on the moving average, we have a period moving average is 6. We have shift 2 method light linear weight applied to weighted close HLCC/4, and it has a red style with a short dash line, physical line thickness, and is very thick. That is what you have. If you save everything up and you check your settings, this is what you should be able to have. If you have exactly this is the complete settings of this awesome strategy, and this is exactly what you are going to use in order to make sure you make money catching spike with this awesome boom and crash multiple spike catching strategy 2026 new update. And I promise to give you every details of this video. So let me first of all give you the last bonus, which is what I'm going to give you. What is the best entry exit for this strategy? How are you going to take your profit? Let me show you one physical thing you need to understand. If you look at the 4 hours chart now, on the 4 hours chart, the market is technically bullish. Market break this high, come back and retest it and continue. Market is trying to break another high now. So for me to take profit on this market is only when market break above this previous higher low. When market break this level, I will take my profit. But as of now, I'm going to hold this market. In fact, if market breaks above, in fact, if price come and break above this level, if price come and break above this level, if price come and break above this level, there will be a high tendency that market will highly go up, price will likely go up, everything on these details and everything on this price action will go up the way it's expected. So for me now, I'm going to hold this trade. But for somebody that want to exit the market, let's go out the 15-minute time frame. Let somebody is trading the lower time frame structure. Whenever price break below this level, which is the previous level that was supporting this market upward, you should exit your trade. But if market did not break above this period below, if price did not break below this level, you can allow the market to continue. But as far as price breaks below this level, I'm going to take out my trade and book profit, whatever I have. But as for now, I'm going to trade in the market complete in the main up down direction. I'm going to hold. I'm not going to close my trade. I'm going to allow the market to see what kind of level will it give me. If the market continue producing higher highs, I'll be trailing my stop loss manually into the next higher low, continue the uptrend. This is Boom and Crash Forex Club. And nice to have you now. See you in my next video. Which is my next video, I'm going to highlight to you how you can be able to analyze the new Boom and Crash price action market analysis or Boom 1000 index. And I promise to give you every details on this channel. Let's dive in now, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, let's move on to the next agenda. Bye.